Purim Sameach!
We are enjoying Purim here. Purim, we are celebrating even in this war time. We are not fearing anyone. We're just celebrating here, and it's so funny. I have to say Purim Sameach everyone.
I want to say for it, very happy for Chaminei Day. Thanks to Hashem.
Knock nine on the heavens door. Knock nine on the heavens door.
The costume is the Iron Dome, an Israeli invention, of course, and unfortunately we need such things for our defense, and there are many countries in the world which use it as well.